In this video, we will explore the fuse location for the cigarette lighter and the power outlet in the Toyota Camry. By knowing where to find and replace the power outlet fuse, you can quickly restore functionality and enjoy the convenience of powering your devices. Let's delve into the details. In the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry, the fuse box is located in the instrument panel, behind the cover to the left of the steering wheel. You just open the lid to access the fuse box. So here are the cigarette lighter and power outlets fuses. In the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry, the fuse box can be found on the under the driver's side instrument panel. Remove the cover to reveal the fuse box and its accompanying diagrams. So here are the cigarette lighter and power outlets fuses. There are two 20-amp fuses in light green color. In the 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry, the fuse box was usually located under the steering wheel on the pedal area. Just remove the cover to gain access to the fuse box. So here are the cigarette lighter and power outlets fuses. It's blue 15-amp fuse right here for the cigarette lighter, and the 20-amp in light green color is for the power outlet. In the 2018 to 2024 Camry has two fuse panels that you need to check. One in the cabin and one in the engine bay. The cabin fuse box is typically positioned on the driver's side, beside the pedal. Open the black cover to reach the fuse box. So here is the location of the power outlet number 1. The fuse is a 15-amp in blue color. This fuse is mini fuse, so make sure you know what you need before you go by the wrong mini size fuse, because there are two types of fuses. The next fuse for us to check is going to be under the hood, but not all of the Camry will have this fuse, but I'll show it to you anyway. There's no fuse for this particular car, but your car may have that 7.5-amp fuse located right there. I hope this information is helpful and has been a good starting point troubleshooting the outlets on your Toyota Camry. See you next time.